Ra? Tsama go tsaya baesekele. Tsama go tsaya baesekele. Nnyaya, tsaya mo go tsaya baesekele. Ha ke go kuke. Tsama go tsaya baesekele. E kae baesekele? E kae?
No.
Ke hele, tsama go etsa. Tsama.
And don't feel like doing
Okay.
I think I want to do more when I come back.
No, I want you to learn to type. It's okay. Laya? Mozzie, hey, Mozzie.
I'm so strong. I'm so strong, Mama.
Saya ya ka. Saya baesekele ya isa. Sorry, sorry, saya baesekele ya. Sorry, saya baesekele ya. Saya baesekele ya. Koromet.
Can I ride your bike? No. Do you want to go with Liam?
Molelo? Mama aring.
Hi, Liam.
Eh.
Look! Look at the flower! Flying!
Que fofo. Ja, fofa, que fofo. Saya? It's beautiful.
And this one.
Hello, ma. Tsoma nonyane. Tla mo tsele. Tlogela nonyane. Saya? Tsoma tsele. Nonyane ya loma. Tshwara baesekele. Tshwara baesekele.
On top. The kite on top.
Ke a e bona kite.
The right.
Mhm.
The right.
Mhm.
The right.
O go tlalesa go. Korometsa.
That's look at this.
Ken sos?
Wow.
Le blanc. Wawa.
Yeah. Hold my flower. And this other bag.
Saya? Wawa, uile.
Bono, lumamo.
Elsa, tlogela go loma mosi. O batla le blanc kile. Thank you, mama.
Thank you, Mama.
I have big news. Isago walked the entire route. I had to hold the bicycle handle with him. My back is sore from it. But he walked 1.8 kilometers. So Isago has potential. He might not like cycling, but he has potential to have endurance.